Okay. Hey, be quiet. We have to do a video here. So, the dog is very upset. I don't know why. We have this. You know what this is? This is the new jack stand from Harbor Freight. Look at the box. It's called my toner now. And we're going to be here to open it up to see how this looks like. It's a good shipping packaging. So it's like inside. This safety sheet, paper, look at this. Wow, there's another one. Look. One more. Okay, so it has a nice sticker on here, both sides. That's the mechanism in here. It's supposed to be better now. What is this? A double chain. Wow. Both have that. Look. That's like a tape. There it goes. That. Then you have this. Wow. One. And another one. So the old ones were on recall because the tool that made those, or the thing in the inside here, this little notch, what holds those, was worn out supposedly, and so there were situations where it could slip off here on the side. Now, I don't know what the owner's manual says and how to put it together, but let's take a look. Well, there's a lot of torque in there. Okay, so let's figure this out. The side with the teeth goes on the opposite of this lever here. So the lever here on the flat side, okay? And then it just goes in here. Okay? Now once it's in there, you can use this triangular shape and put this in here, and then what that does, here like this, what that does, it gives a second, so it holds on a second tooth, so it's twice the safety. And then you can use this pin here to secure that this thing can't come out. So even if this would fail, then the second pin would hold it. So that's now super safe. There's no question. If the teeth don't break off, and if they break off, then both have to break off. This should hold. Now, how about the insides? So the old ones could split open like this. So that doesn't work anymore because now they welded another piece in here, but they can't do that anymore. They also welded little pieces in here in the corners. I assume that is for it to not sink into asphalt when you use it on asphalt. But yeah, that's how it goes. And the same as last time in my other video where I show that you have to bend in this piece. So if you bend in this piece, you cannot just pull it out and run around with it and you carry it. That is just to fix it in there. So if you have to bend that in, for that you need a little tool to do that. Alright, so when you use this the next time, don't forget to insert the safety pin here and the little safety pin in the hole here. And then it's like super safe. Much safer than the old ones. Alright, so I hope you like this video, and it doesn't hurt to subscribe. You see me using those soon. If I do an oil change, maybe I'm going to use them.